Hey everyone, it's Bruce from the Joinery Coach. Hopefully you're having an amazing day. It's Friday afternoon. We've had just a massive week, and I just got some information from a client of ours in Sydney that's doing some great work in their factory improvements, and I thought I'd share it with you. It's really cool to see. Of course, we can't travel right now. We can't be on site in the factory helping people move forward. But what we are doing is we're helping everybody remotely through Zoom sessions, through online conversations, and keeping everybody moving through the program as much as possible. And I've got this great client in Sydney who sent us some videos of the stuff they're doing in their factory right now. And I thought I'd share it with you. It's pretty cool. Little steps forward add up to a big, massive improvement. By the time they're done, they're going to have a massively productive, efficient, profitable, and just an amazing factory. They've already got a great factory. It's just going to get even better. So I thought I'd share with you John from Interex, giving his insights into the work they're doing through our Lean program. Hopefully you enjoy.
Hi all, happy Friday. Just want to show you some of our trolleys. We used to keep all our adjustable feet in these cupboards, all mixed up. Now we've got them in these little mobile trolleys. Look at that. So that's an adjustable feet hardware trolley, one type. Hang on, that's another type. So we've got mobile trolleys, hardware trolleys. That's a hardware trolley. They'll be labelled soon. These blue ones, when a courier drops off stuff, we put them on these blue trolleys. This one's a return trolley, all mobile. Love these trolleys. Hang on, I'll walk over to our drawer section. There's our drawer, 11 units, 11 floors. We're keeping all the drawers in that cart there. So one particular job, North Sydney, whenever you're doing drawers, that's where they are, because this is our drawer bench. And we've got a little drawer cart here. All our drawer hardware in the cart that moves around. We're getting there. Have a good day. Oh wow, look at this. 80mm feet in the top bay, 50mm in the second bay, 150 in the third bay. These carts are pretty cool. What do we got here? 80mm. The platforms that the feet go to, no pins, whip pins. Wow, these things are incredible. Come a long way, love these carts. We used to keep them in all those cupboards. Used to take us ages to find them. Go Lean Manufacturing. Hi Gareth, magnets, just example. Oh, they do stick. They stick on the trolleys. So I can put magnet and label everything. This is too much, guys, too much. Oh, what are these? Poly cards. You serious? We actually got them now. All the poly goes on these cards. Unit-free kitchen. All the components for unit-free kitchens on that cart. Oh, another cart. Unit 2 kitchen. What's going on here? The cupboards are getting built on the bench and the polyurethanes get fitted and it takes off the bench so you don't double handle. Getting closer to Lean. All I need is a roller or a cart to bring them to the loading dock. Pretty cool. Oh, there are those carts again. More carts. Oh, what's this? Another poly cart. What do we got on here? Bedroom 1. Bedroom 1. Bedroom 2 doors. All organised on these carts. Too good to be true. Well, it is true.
Well, there you go. They told us it couldn't be done. They said we couldn't deliver Lean without actually being on site. And I have to tell you, our clients are getting amazing results and making amazing progress through this time where we can't travel and we can't be on site. They're taking our guidance and taking the workshops and they're applying it into their factory, and they're doing an amazing job. And you see it right there with John at Interex. No holds barred. They're just going ahead and getting the stuff done. And then we get back online and talk about it, and we just keep rinse, repeat, and just keep doing those sort of progressive steps to efficiencies and productivity in their factory. So hopefully you enjoyed that. That was Interex in Sydney. They're doing amazing work, and we couldn't be happier with their progress. And let's be really clear, nothing would happen unless they did the work. So as happy as we are about the work that we're doing, we're more happy about the work that they're doing. Bruce from the Joinery Coach. Hopefully you love that. Peace out.